Here today doing a walkthrough video of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit at the Gameday Center. We're here outside the unit in the hall. We do these videos to help our clients get an understanding of the real estate market that aren't in town. If you're interested in other real estate videos, be sure to click subscribe, and you'll be updated when we have another video of a property listing or market update. This particular unit is sold off market for sale by owner, but is a great example of what floor plans are going to look like. We're standing in the hallway on the Broad Street side of the Gameday Center, 250 West Broad Street. What you're looking towards is towards the elevator lobby. Coming down this way, this particular unit is a 2-door, 2-bedroom unit. Each one of those doors will enter the property. Could also be locked off to rent out one side and live in the other one. This unit is more of an original finish from 2007 during the construction, but many units have also been upgraded, but this is a great floor plan to give you an idea of what it looks like. Many of the units in the Gameday Center are going to be under 1,000 square feet, probably ballpark under 700 to 800 square feet. This particular one is about 760 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. These units are going to come fully furnished in almost every single case. We'll start here giving you a glance at the secondary bedroom. See the furniture. Closet, and of course, behind the door we just came through is the exterior door that could be utilized if needed for a rental. That is an upgraded shower you will not find in many of these units. Located in the heart of downtown Athens, very popular location, very popular with Bulldog fans, investors, people that like to use the unit when they come to town, and then you can also rent it out through the on-site management here at the Gameday Center. Giving you a look back where we entered the property. This is an example of some of the standard finishes you would find in the property. Many units have received upgrades since then that are a little bit more in the 2024 style. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, stainless steel fridge. Passing through to the bathroom, laundry. Straight ahead, you're going to have the air conditioning, water heater, and a closet to the left. Second bathroom. So the finishes of the flooring. And we'll end the video getting a glance at the last bedroom. 2-bedroom, 2-bath Gameday Center unit. Now, all of these units will also have access to the outside. Try to end the video giving you a glance at this particular unit. That direction is west towards Atlanta, looking out over downtown in the direction to Sanford Stadium in downtown Athens. Gameday Center, Athens, Georgia, downtown Athens.